$40 million made it worth the risk.
What about Anita?
She wasn't killed by the bomb. Sure, her buyers took care of her once they found out she didn't deliver the virus. Either way, she's out of the picture.
I hope so.
Oh, even my cats weren't this funny with the laser light.
We'll be long gone before anyone starts looking.
I can't watch the laser light and watch it at the camera at the same time. Oh gosh, he likes it like nobody else. Oh my gosh.
I haven't talked to her about that.
Okay, keep track, baby.
I know you must be thinking. You need to give me a chance to explain.
I don't know what to think. Look, I'm happy that you're okay. But this thing... You have a baby, Chase.
Are you bored that quickly? Wow, that was fast, babes.
Who's the mother? Where does she fit into this?
That's what I want to talk to you about. Okay, I didn't know I had a daughter until a month ago.
How could you not know?
Angela's mother and I went out last year. It's over. When it ended, she never told me she was pregnant. Now she calls a month ago and tells me she has a baby. And she's in trouble and she can't handle it.
Huh?
I was afraid that people would find it. I was afraid it was going to mess us up.
You tell Chloe.
Oh, wait, my sister from that.
Oh gosh, this just cracks me up. I am so immature. What is wrong with me? Hey, buddy.
Thank you.
Laney, you just don't go after it anymore.
All I know is that I love you. And I'm falling in love with you. I need to make this work.
Mommy has to get a new one out of the package that's brighter. Hey, sweetness. Oh, you guys just aren't going after it, so. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.